Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a long while since I've recorded anything, but today I'm going to be installing a backup camera. It's a rear view mirror backup camera that I got for Christmas, thankfully, because before Christmas I actually got in a car accident and totaled my poor little Lexus, but I'm okay. And the other person's okay. She flew out in front of me and I just ran right into her. And yeah, all the airbags went out. It was so scary. But anyway, so I'm really glad to have another backup camera because with my windows being so tinted, at night it's really hard for me to see where I'm going and I'm just not really good at backing up my car. So, okay, but enough talking. I'm gonna head over to the shop and get this thing installed. Should be fairly simple. I don't know. But this is it. It's pretty cool. It's gonna just mount up onto the mirror that's already there. And this is what it looks like. It's touchscreen, and it has the camera in the front, and also this little camera guy right here is gonna go onto the trunk. Backup camera right there. There's a bunch of cords, which I have no idea what these are all for. So this should be fun. So yeah, you have to purchase an SD card because this one didn't come with it. And it has a little instruction book on how to do it. So let's get right into it. So the first thing it says is before installation, insert a high-speed memory card into the unit and format it. So looks like it's right there. And just pop him in like that. Okay, now power. Does this thing need to be charged? So these are gonna go over to secure it to the rear view mirror, which is in the car right now. So you take this, put them on there, and pull it around the back. Okay, there's one of them. I hope that stays. Oh, here's the other.
It's on there pretty tight.
Okay, good.
Seems like anyway.
There's this one. Woohoo! Look at that. So gotta plug this this cord in, which goes to the lighter. Can barely see. Okay, this goes in here. Oh, I'm using the camera as a mirror so I could see. It's probably upside down. Yep. Or backwards. Okay, there we go. So let's turn the car on a little bit. See if we get power to this thing. Whoa! And there it is. This is super cool. Okay, so then we have to hide the wires and connect it to the backup camera. I'll route the wires through the ceiling. Headliner. All the way to the back. And out that way.
Longest part of this job, tucking the wires.
All right, so I'll let him finish that.
Yep, and then it'll be done.
I mean, it does say, if the wiring and installation requires certain handwork and some professional electrician skills, please get some professional help. And there he is. Professional help. So I have this in there already, shoved in, and it's going around here through the back. Oh, sorry. Where is it? Here. And so now what? Now we have to connect it.
We'll probably put it here.
Oh, into there.
Through here.
Okay.
We'll take this off. On this, I think you just pull. These clips.
Woo. It's super clean in here.
Should come off. That. And the other side, same.
Thank you. Wow. Awesome.
So now we can get to this real easy.
Oh, good. There he is. Okay, pull him out.
There's so much wire.
I know. Are we gonna have too much, you think?
Maybe. That we can
Pop
just
this
trim.
back in?
Yeah, we might need to trim a little bit off of it, but
What do you mean?
like trim this little area so that way this sits flush in there again. I don't know if it'll squeeze in there, but
Okay.
at least
so
we
then
know
we're
this will
gonna
go.
put
Yeah.
this in these little hooks.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Perfect. It's gonna look really clean.
Yeah, and then whatever we don't use,
Mm-hmm.
we'll just wrap up and zip tie and we can let it sit in here.
Okay, that's there. Probably zip tie that.
Yeah. Yep, and then we'll go up in there.
All right, so I have it grounded here so we can test out. What are we testing? Which is the backup?
Yeah, the power.
The backup power?
Yep.
Okay.
So, you see the little screen on the test light?
Yeah. What?
Did it light?
Okay, right here. So I just put it in there.
So now I have it in reverse. And see,
There's nothing.
Now watch, go to the other one. There you go.
Oh, so this is where we're gonna put the red wire.
Yep.
It's awesome. Yeah, this part I'm not gonna try and do. Could I get shocked if I did this?
No.
Oh, well then
Because we don't have any power going to it.
it's off?
Yeah,
Is the car?
I turned
Oh,
it
you
off.
turned the whole car off.
Yeah. So then this, we'll just snip this. And then,
That's the brown wire?
yeah, the brown wire.
Oh,
The brown wire is the power one.
okay.
So we're just borrowing power.
I see. So kind of like an extension.
Exactly.
Oh.
And this is wrapped around here. And then I'll connect this back like this. So this will cover.
Here's the fun part.
Yeah. And then it'll just shrink to it. Just like that.
Cool. Beautiful job.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Okay. So, and then this would fit perfectly right in there for the
Beautiful.
camera to come out. Okay, and then that fit right in there. And on this side, it comes out right here. And then we're just gonna plug this in to that part right there. The hard part is finished. Got all this back on. And now I just gotta pop this guy on there. Okay, so don't put the sticky tape. Don't put the sticky tape before you screw it in, because that's just gonna get screwed in with it and get messy. Okay, so done with this, and just gonna straight screw it. These screws are being a real pain in the butt, so we had to get some bigger ones because it actually broke off into the plastic there. So, oh, we're not using this. But yeah, so we're gonna use bigger screws to put in there, more heavy duty ones, because that's not gonna work, those little self-tap ones. What do you have?
Nothing.
There you go, let's use these. All right, and we have a backup camera. So, let's see how it works. There we go. It works.
Perfect.
Yep, I see you. So that's it.
Now it's just tuck the wires.
Now just, yeah, so, well, how would I, up this way, right? Tuck it in there.
I mean, we can do that though.
Pretty it up.
Yep.
And that's it.
Finn.
So, Finn, thank you for all your help.
You got it.
It's been a fun time. It's actually easier. Oh.
Leave me hanging like that.
Easier than we had thought, right?
Yep. Yeah, way easier.
Take this off too.
Wow, it's so much clearer
Yeah.
peeling that off.
That's really clear.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see everything. I tucked all the wires in, and this is the final product. And you can't even see it from out here either. See? Clean. Yeah, it's perfect. And I ended up routing this one across the top here, down under the seat, through here, and into the outlet back there. And that's the one that goes to the trunk. Okay, look how clear this footage is. Alright, I'm gonna pull over and play with some of these settings here. So when you put the car in reverse, it switches over to the guiding lines, which is nice, and a wide view. Also, if you want to switch to front camera, you could swipe it. There's the front. This is a split screen. You swipe it again and it will go to just the front. Swipe it again, it goes to the back. You can adjust brightness by going up and down over here. If you go down, here are the settings. So yeah, you can have a screensaver. I have it so it turns off after a minute because it's kind of bright and I don't need to see what's going on behind me at all times. So it's kind of nice because then when it dims out, it's a mirror, so it's just like the regular rear view mirror. What else? You can take snapshots, like a screenshot. It'll record, it'll loop record, it'll save. I think if you go, no. If you go this way, this is where all of your videos are being saved as it goes. Yeah, that's about it. You can also, there's a way you can, oh, there we go, to move it up and down so you can see better if you need to. And I think it also does that when you're backing up. This little, you just tap that and it will make the camera go downwards so you can see where you're parking. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I hope maybe you learned something, and if not, that's okay. It was good seeing you guys again. I'll see you next time. Wave hi to the camera back there, babe.
Wave hi to the camera back there.
Yeah, the camera's in the box back there. It's still in the box.
Yeah, but it doesn't work.
Look it. Oh, this is just.
That's why I was like, what are you talking about?
That's the front camera.
That's the front.
Yep, it works.